Okay, this is my park proposal. Zoom in here. We have the entrance archway. We have concrete. As you walk in, you see the fountain, which is black metal, and it's you can see the water kind of overflowing on the sides. It's like a design. And we have benches for people to sit, just to look at the fountain or to rest. Here's the carousel. There's this red metallic texture on the top, and then gold for the base and the poles. And these are little like candy wrapper shapes. You can see the texture of the candy wrapper on there. Here we have the hall of the museum. It's like a little art museum that you can walk through as you're in the park. And there's like smoked glass on the inside to give it that like artsy look. And this is white concrete here. And we have concrete stairs and a terracotta roof. And then we have the little teacups. And they're like fall themed. They have like little leaves inside, but they're ceramic. And yeah, that's about it.